In this video, I'm going to double my balance in less than 10 minutes using these 3 simple limbo strategies. Let's jump into it. So, I'm going to use 3 strategies. One is going to be low risk, mid risk, high risk. We are going to double our balance from 500 to 1000 and we're going to do it in less than 10 minutes. So, our first strategy is going to be a low risk strategy. It is going to be to increase by 275% on a loss. We want to stop on profit of $100, so I want to get 20% on this and get in, get out. And our multiplier is going to be 1.47. Our bet amount is going to be 0.25. And off we go. So the graph is steadily going up. We did have this little spike at the beginning, which is absolutely fine. So long as we increase on that spike, so we end up higher than where we were before we started, and it's perfect. It is a low risk. This is going to take a little bit longer, although these spikes are pretty good. So I'm going to speed up. I will see you in a few seconds. What's up, guys? Shuffle.com gives me all of the abilities to create these strategies with their advanced features. Sign up using code OSM to support the channel, but also to be entered into our monthly $3,000 giveaway plus more. Now back to the video. Okay, so that didn't go too well. However, we're still $41 in profit. Now we're $78 in profit, and I'm going to complete it. I said low risk. Standing by it. Continue. We want $100 profit. Almost there. Okay. There we have it. We've made 20%. Just. We almost got wiped out, but we made it. So we're going to move on to our next, which is on a loss to increase by 20%. We want profit this time of 150. And our multiplier this time is a 7x. So we want the spikes to go up, to go down, up, down, up, down. Let's go. There we go. So as the spikes go down, bigger the spike down, the more profit up. So as you can see, the increase on this bet is much faster. We're gaining money faster, but with that, I suppose, comes more risk. That being said, we got almost, well, that strategy pretty much wiped us out. The first one, which was meant to be low risk. So that's another $100 profit we've just made. We're not far now off our profit target.
Hooray!
Oh, nice finish there with 44.91x, although makes no difference to us. We're after 7x or 7x. So now we're going to move on to our high risk strategy. We've got a beautiful curve there, except for one bit, but so be it. So our final strategy is we're looking for a 3x multiplier. Our base bet is now going to increase to $1, and we're going to configure this to, now we want to make $250 profit, but our increase or loss is now at 70%. We want to just see this graph just continue in this motion. No, well, we still want some dips, but we don't want to get wiped out. And we want to make $1,000 and get out. Let's go. Okay, wonderful. Did we just get half of our money back? Okay. I'm going to continue with that bet. I'm going to raise it to 250. Let's see if we can recoup some money. Let's go. Oh, okay. We're almost back. Okay, we're back. We're back. Okay, we're at 847. It stopped for some reason. Maybe because we went down. So we're going to continue that as we want $1,000. That is the goal. $1,000 and we're out. Okay. There. Oh. Does that count? Let's get. I want to finish it at that. Oh, I keep missing it. I'm too late every single time. Let's see if we can get there. There we go. Okay, $1,000. We doubled our balance. It didn't go exactly to plan, but we still doubled our balance. There is always some risk to these games, but as long as it was entertaining. Let me know your strategies. Let me know if you have a better one for Limbo or any other Stake original for that matter. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, drop me a comment. I look forward to hearing from you, and I will see you again soon.